Rains in Dubai and rooms like this in Dubai are very difficult to find. And today I am going to show you one of our masterpieces, which is the most pocket friendly and budget friendly room that you can ever find in a place known as JVC, Jumeirah Village Circle. Just have a look around and you will come to know that this is the best rooms that we have, and it has got all the basic amenities which a person needs to settle down his life, you know. So you have a fridge inside, TV inside, washroom attached, and a balcony attached. So everything is right there in its place. You just need to bring in your bags and start staying in. Along with this, you are going to get a kitchen which is shared along with two more rooms, but it is super clean and everything is in place inside this kitchen. Let me walk you around. Meanwhile, you can also have a look at the places where you can sit and eat food, and right there is the sofa. And when you walk around the kitchen, you will be able to see that washing machine, cooker, microwave, kettle, and fridge. Everything is there. So book it before anyone else books it and take your action fast.